The application effectiveness of the world's first flexible hybrid manufacturing unit.
International Flexible Manufacturing is a cutting-edge technology for intelligent manufacturing. Our company cooperates with many internationally renowned companies such as Siemens Motor, a Fortune 500 company, and has pioneered a flexible composite manufacturing unit with multi-spindle and multi-station technical features. The core technology has 16 invention patents and is the first national-level product. It is used in strategic industries such as national defense, military industry, aerospace, and emerging industries, such as high-end medical equipment and high-end pumps and valves, and has a disruptive application effect. 1. Our company cooperates with leading enterprises in the international and domestic pump and valve industry to create the GHRW1-4O large-scale gantry horizontal machining center 5-phase composite flexible manufacturing unit, which is used to process large-scale water pumps with a length of 2.5 meters, a width of 2 meters, and a height of 2.2 meters. It can complete all the processes of 5-phase milling, boring, drilling and tapping in one clamping of the workpiece. Shorten the processing time from 26 hours to 6 hours. Improve the shape and position accuracy by 2 to 3 levels. And realize the interchangeability of pump body and pump cover. Two, the first VER-W100800 vertical horizontal composite double table flexible manufacturing unit, which has high efficiency in vertical and horizontal processing. Overlaps the auxiliary time of workpiece clamping and processing time, improves production efficiency by 4 to 6 times, and improves shape and position accuracy by 1 to 2 levels. The HRU100800 double horizontal composite manufacturing unit realizes horizontal processing of parts on both sides at the same time, and improves efficiency by 2 to 4 times. Three, the first VER-W63050 vertical and horizontal composite standard machine tool, which is tailored for small and medium-sized enterprises in the pump and valve industry. It is a low-cost advanced machine tool that realizes intelligent, automated, and efficient technology upgrades, integrates automatic chip breaking, chipping and retraction, and efficient milling full process adaptive artificial intelligence technology, and realizes the automatic completion of all processes of turning, milling, boring, drilling and tapping in one clamping of pumps and valves, achieving high efficiency and high precision machining at a low cost. It is an upgraded and iterative product of existing vertical machining centers and horizontal machining centers.